Well, here we are back again. That little shed that's popping up is growing like a mushroom in the wild. Let's flip the camera. Oh, look at that. The back wall is up. The front wall is up. The doorway's been left a little wild. We will infill with a lintel when we've decided on the size of the door exactly. Infill the side walls and start installing rafters. Looking pretty good for a little project up in the wilds of Quebec. I think that's a check in the win box. We'll see you next time.